I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in college nursing using an easy method. Nursing school demands a strategic approach to learning. We will cover 4 key areas to help you succeed without feeling overwhelmed. First, focus on grasping fundamental concepts deeply. Then, learn to organize your study time effectively. Next, we will explore active learning techniques that boost retention. Finally, we will discuss the importance of consistent review and self-care for long-term success. Engaging actively with your study material is crucial for nursing. Instead of just reading, try explaining complex topics to a friend or even to yourself. Create flashcards for important definitions, drug dosages, and lab values. Aim for at least 20 new cards each week. Regularly complete practice questions, perhaps 20 to 30 daily, to test your understanding and identify areas needing more attention. This active recall strengthens your memory significantly. Effective organization is your best friend in nursing school. Develop a consistent weekly study schedule, dedicating specific blocks of time to each course. Try to study in focused 45 to 60-minute intervals, followed by a short break. Make it a habit to review your lecture notes within 24 hours of class. This significantly improves retention by up to 50%. A detailed planner will help you stay on top of all assignments and upcoming exams. Consistent review is vital for solidifying your knowledge. Set aside specific times each week, perhaps 2 to 3 hours, to revisit older material and connect concepts. Equally important is prioritizing your well-being. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to optimize brain function. Remember to take short, 10-minute breaks during study sessions and engage in physical activity. Supporting your mental and physical health will enhance your learning capacity and overall success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.